Wondering whether to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Intel. We initially published a report on our website on Thursday, January 11, 2024, and now we're here to give you an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified Intel as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.97. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 24.91% since we first listed Intel as a buy candidate 47 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.53% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend, indicating the potential for further growth. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 42.06% change in the stock's value, with a potential return ranging from 36.45% to 58.96%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a 52.98% change, with a potential return between 16.34% and 65.29%. This corresponds to a price range of $55.42 to $78.75 after 1 year. Our latest update on Intel brings a positive headline: Green Day on Thursday for Intel. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, January 11, 2024, the Intel stock price saw a gain of 0.358%. It started at $47.47 and ended at $47.64. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 2.38%, reaching a low of $46.73 and a high of $47.84. It's important to note that the price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of -6.15% during this period. The trading volume on the last day decreased by 2 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.37 billion. It's worth considering that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we see that the highest price reached was $51.28, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the price is 7.09% below the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $3.64. Furthermore, it is 31.25% below the all-time high, amounting to a difference of $21.65. The all-time high was achieved on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Intel Corporation (INTC). Let's start with the most recent update. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Needham gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Moving on to Friday, December 15, 2023, Deutsche Bank also gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Furthermore, on the same day, Bank of America Securities joined in with a neutral grade and an upgrade action for Intel. Let's go back a bit to Wednesday, December 6, 2023. KGI Securities gave Intel an outperform grade with an upgrade action. Lastly, on Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory gave Intel a buy grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Intel. Today, the stock shows mixed signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a decrease of -6.15% so far. It is predicted that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, the Intel stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal derived from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections downwards, the stock will find support at $47.49 and $45.80. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. Despite gaining prices, volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could serve as an early warning, and it is crucial to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal 11 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 11 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 51 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 48 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average suggests a buy signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 53 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 198 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Intel. Intel has found support from accumulated volume at $46.16. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. When it comes to daily movements, Intel tends to have average volatility. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the past day, the stock moved $1.11 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to 2.38% of its value. Over the course of the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.64%. Let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data before we delve into the potential trading levels for Intel. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either losing money or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings are at $0.430. It's important to keep a close watch on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Intel. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $47.80. If you currently do not own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this level could be an option to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $46.16. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Intel has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 29, 2023, Yuri Frank D. conducted an insider buy of 141,791 shares of Phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Smith Gregory D. conducted an insider buy of 62,189 shares of Phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Goldsmith Andrea Joe conducted an insider buy of 522,388 shares of Phantom stock units. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider buy of 13,063 shares of common stock. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider sell of 6,477 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power ratio to be negative at -8.363. Overall, insiders have purchased a total of 337,967 shares and sold 403,532 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $45.46, which is a decrease of 4.57%. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 10 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that Intel stock may present a buying opportunity in the near future. However, upon analyzing the volatility and market movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, January 12, we anticipate Intel to open with a decrease of $0.237, starting at $47.40. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. To make well-informed decisions, we strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we want to discuss our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also interested to know what your target for the stock is. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Lastly, we hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful overall experience. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.